you get to do whatever you want. And I made this with Python. It's very nice to see that I can say something and be heard. Well, it's very precise, even if maybe I don't pronunciate some words very well because I'm Italian. Okay, feels very good. Now I'm going to show you the code and I will post it on my blog. Okay, let's close this and let's see what's code. Okay, it's quite simple. I've used speech recognition. It's an API made from Google, I think. And I got also time and GTTS2. And I don't know if I use a GTTS, but let's see how this works. This waits 4 seconds. And then this one runs forever. And it takes the data from record audio and then send the data to Jarvis. Let's go to record audio. So in the record audio, we initialize the recognizer here with R and with the SR microphone, with the microphone as source. It prints say something and then it listens to what you're saying. Then there is this speech recognition using Google Speech Recognition. So it tries data equal r dot recognize Google audio. So the audio that is being recorded here from the microphone with this listen method goes to the other method recognize Google audio and prints out what comes out of this method here with this data from the microphone. And then what happens if there is an error here, it will tell you. And after this, it returns this data. And then it goes to this one. Oh yeah. Here it answers to some, if you say, how are you? It will speak, I'm fine. What time is it? It will speak, tells you the time. Where is, and this will bring you to the browser maybe. Let's try this because, you know, I'm curious to see if it works. How are you? Oh, listen, he answered. And what can I ask him? What time is it? What time is it? Here it says, what time is it? Great. And where is California? Okay, Chrome browser is not recognizes as a command, but I could try to find how to to run Chromium from the CMD. Okay, it's very good. This is the programs that I think I made it take from somewhere. I don't remember, some times ago, like a year, and I didn't even remember that I had this one. So I want to share it with you, and so hope you liked it. Thank you. See you next time.